we did this right here. This backside, this area right here has not been done. That's the difference, and this stuff will last for years. Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Scoots here again, and we had a great comment from one of our awesome subscribers asked how to bring your faded black plastic or controls like on here back to a shine permanently. Now, Julio, tell everybody where these tools are located. Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Bill. That's what he wants. You're looking at this brake fluid reservoir. We did this right here. This backside, this area right here has not been done. That's the difference, and this stuff will last for years. We did the top of this control right here, right in this area right here. We did not do it back here. We did this switch right here. We did not do that switch right there. Now, you can use a Q-tip and cut it down a little bit so you can get in behind the rocker or move the rocker forward so that you can do it. You just take and move the rocker down and then do that area right there. But make sure you clean all of the area before you do it with Old 99. This is the easy stuff we used right here. We keep it right in a Ziploc bag. All right, so we have this area right here we have not done, right through here. I'll show you how easy this stuff is. Look at the shine on that. And like I said, it will stay that way for years. Just wipe it on. Clean it with Old 99 and then wipe it on like that. Huge difference. Let's finish this one up right here. Kind of hard to look through the camera and see this. That simple. Now I'm going to go over the whole thing, blend all that in right there. But this stuff is crazily good. We do the back side of this. There's one half of it. It looks like you're just wetting it down, but this stuff will make it shine, shine, shine forever. It'll work on all plastic. All right, here's the controls on the left side, all done. Shines like new, beautiful. Sweet Scoots out.